Hi, my name is Calista Wong, and today I'm going to be talking about the two theorists I picked for this assignment. So, the first theorist I chose is Mary Ainsworth. Her theoretical perspective is behaviorism, and Ainsworth contributed to the attachment theory, which was originally proposed by John Bowlby in 1969. So, first off, the attachment theory states that the deep emotional and physical relationship of the primary giver, such as a mother, is crucial to the development of the child. So, what Ainsworth did was that she created this strange situation, which is a procedure where Ainsworth and Bowlby observed 1 to 2 year old babies, and they observed their reactions um, with the mother and a stranger in a series of 8 stages that lasted around 3 minutes each. Um, Based on their observations, they concluded that there are 4 different attachment styles. The first one being secure, the second one being avoidant, the third one being anxious, and the fourth one being disorganized. Um, and the second theorist I chose is Erik Erikson, and his theoretical perspective is psychosocial. Um, so Erikson's ideas and beliefs was actually influenced by Sigmund Freud's. Sigmund Freud is more of a psychosexual theoretical perspective, whereas Erikson is more psychosocial. So that's what makes the two of them different. Erikson's theory states that personality develops throughout life in a series of 8 stages, and the person will experience either a positive or negative psychosocial crisis within each stage. So, for example, infant to 18 months, they develop hope, 18 months to 3 years old, will, 3 to 5 years old, purpose, and etc. until death, basically. Um, with this theory, he came up with the phrase identity crisis, and as we get older, we develop a sense of our own personal identity. These two theories may sound different, but in turn, they actually have similarities. So it's not clearly stated, but there is culture involved for both of these theorists. Um, because based on your environment or how you were brought up, your culture, your traditions, beliefs, etc., it affects how you develop. And yeah, that's the similarity between these two theorists. Thank you. Have a good night.